Now, neurolinguistic programming basically is a correlation between neurological processes, linguistic models, behavioral patterns, and the human experience. So what do they all in terms of their emotional attributes, in terms of impulsivity, disinhibition, grandiosity, pathological compulsion, and promiscuity? There's a sense of awareness and there's a sense of unawareness. That disparity sort of becomes blurry. Right, during mania, that sort of become effaced. Sociolinguistics and psycholinguistics, I explore each subset within the context of the flow, sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave, but that's just from a physics perspective. There's a lot of relationship because in art you have composition. Art is composition, it's self-explanatory.
More of an introduction to mental disorder because what
like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception, trajectory that occurs. You can cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.
persuasion.